Now the right shift. Right shift means what? Left is the side, right is the side. If you are shifting towards the right, this element will be kicked out first, correct? That will come to the first position. 40, 10, 20, 30. So based on the previous example, if you want to try, I can't do a of 0 is equal to a of 1. That will give you wrong iterations right now. But before doing all these things, which element got kicked out first? 40 is the element which got kicked out, because that we want in 0th position later. Okay. If this is the element which got out, I have to store that element somewhere. Like in previous case, you gave temp is equal to a of 0 because at that point of time in left shift, 10 was getting kicked out. This time 40 is getting kicked out. At which index? Third index. Total number of elements, 4. Last index, how do we get? 3, because 4 minus 1. That means n minus 1. So temp will be given as a of n minus 1. What is a of n minus 1? A of 3. What is a of 3? 40. We stored 40 in temporary. Now since we stored 40 in temporary, this is the place where we have to start putting the elements. Because if you see, 30 came to third position, 20 came to second position, and 10 came to first position. So if that is the case, what I will do, a of 3 will be equal to a of 2. If you do this, what is going to happen? This one, 10, 20, 30, a of 3 is equal to a of 2. A of 3 is equal to a of 2. In third position, we have to put what is there in second position. So what will happen? 30. First point. Next, in second position, I have to put 20. So a of 2, here I have to put 20. 20 is what? A of 1. What will happen? In first position, in a of 1, I have to put whatever is there in a of 0. Correct? What will happen? 10 will go here. None of the other things will change. Only thing which will change is this left hand side of equal to. Here a of 3 changed, here a of 2 changed, here a of 1 changed. Now is there anything else to do? No, because if you notice, this part is proper right now. What should be put in 0th position? 40. 40 is at which particular variable? Temp. Okay, so what we'll do? In which position, by the way? In 0th position. So a of 0 will be equal to temp. A of 0 will be equal to temp. So what will happen basically? What is there? 40. So this will be 40, 10, 20, 30. Did we get our resultant array? Same. Okay. What did we do here? First, temporary equal to a of n minus 1. A of 3, A of 2, A of 1. What is happening here? 3, 2, 1. 3 is what? N minus 1. So I will start from n minus 1. Correct? That is 3. I went all up till 1. How is it coming? 3, 2, 1. Incrementation or decrementation? Decrementation. So I minus minus. Till when? Till I is greater than 0. First, your for loop will be I is equal to n minus 1, that is I is equal to 3, I is greater than 0, I minus minus. Means till this condition is true, you go on decrementing the value, which is proper. Now, what is happening inside the for loop? If this is a of I, observe what is this. If this is 3, this is 2. If this is 2, this is 1. If this is 1, this is 0. How much are you deducting? 1. So a of I will be equal to a of I minus 1. So this will be a of I will be equal to a of I minus 1. Clear? This portion is here. Before this, what we have to do? Temp equal to a of n minus 1. This line before going into the loop. After this loop, what we have to do? A of 0 equal to temp. Clear?